Today we see small fixes on the Supra and the Nyubys Car Meet. Welcome to the video. Tonight is the Nyubys Car Meet at the Waschpark Waschplatz. So, I got it, give me a second. Today is the Nyubys Car Meet at the Waschpark. So what we're gonna do is we do some small things on the Supra before we drive there. I did wash the car yesterday and I don't want to bore you with me wetting the Supra for another 15 minutes. So we're gonna do some small fixes, do some detail on it, and I think then we're ready to go. Also need to clean the rims, and also we have some small issues to fix on the rims. Let me show you. So see here, we have these small things. We're gonna fix that today, and it's nothing special. We're gonna have a small pencil. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna detail the car a little bit more, and that's it. Be my guest, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So I detailed the whole outer part of, not the complete whole part, but most of it. I have still the rims to go. What I can tell you, and sorry, I'm still fighting with the last pieces of my bad flu. Do you feel the same when you polish the whole car and wax it and detail it and you like need like an oxygen tent? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so what I do usually is I'm gonna wash the whole car, then I'm gonna detail it with the SwissVax detailer. Let me check if you can see that, the SwissVax detailer. Exactly the same one what I showed you in the cleaning the Supra video. If you do not know which video I mean, I'm gonna blend it in directly here. So I'm gonna do now the rims, take on the rims. When the rims are clean, I'm gonna do the tires. And before we're gonna do the tires, no, stop. First we're gonna take care about the small scratch on the rim. That's the first thing we're gonna do. While this is drying, we're going to take care about the other 3 rims and the other 3 tires, and then we're going to clean the rim of the thing at last to really make sure that this has a drying time of like 20 minutes. And then if this is running all smoothly, we're going to take the ride to the Carmeet. So I would say I'm going to grab now the paints and the brush, and we're going to start. And let me figure out if I find a way to document that with the camera. So let me take light. So as you see, I have the paintbrush already here. Let me just turn on the light at my mobile. So as you see here, you still see it a little bit, but I think if it's dry you won't see it anymore. So even if you take a look at here, it's done already. Of course, if you're gonna know that there is something, you always will see it. But if you don't know that there is something, I guess over 3,000 people now know that there is something. So don't blame me if you see me, please. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start with the front rims, cleaning up them. If done so, we'll make the other side, and we're gonna take care about this bad boy. And then we're gonna drive to the Nyubys Car Meet. Sorry, me again. So we just cleaned the whole rim, all of them, all four. And I want to show you the results because it's already getting dark outside. And if we lay at the meet, things won't work out. So here you go. Okay, so we clean the tire as well, the rims completely. Also here you see in the front, also there, everything's clean. Even the guys, this gloss effect is so crazy. So big shout out to SwissVax guys if you see this. This is super crazy. Okay, so other side, there you go as well. Okay, what I recommend you, if you're gonna use something to placken down your tires, wipe over with a rack, with a cleaning rack as well. It really helps. So I'm gonna take a shower now. We're gonna season a bit on Carmeet. I'm out. Right, so we're as promised at the Carmeet now. We're quite early in time, so I guess more cars will show up in the next couple of hours. We're gonna change the objective and try to catch the cars that will come in. But I'm gonna show you, we have 1, 2, 3 Mark V Supras. And there are a lot of color varieties in it as well. So we have white, blue and silver. And I guess there's another one coming in today. So as said, I'm gonna change the objective. I'm gonna try to catch some cars, and saying that, I hope you enjoy the clips. In 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty shortcut. Okay, so we're here with Dano. I mean, you know him already. So you got a fantastic new intake from Meguiar that I think we should show the people, right? So tell us a bit more. I mean, it's okay for you to speak in German.
Yes,
That's absolutely okay. So tell us a bit more. I'm going to translate it then.
Ich habe die Ansaugung vorgestellt auf der Essener Motorshow. Da wurde so ganz groß angehypt.
Okay.
Gab es natürlich auch einen Vorstellerrabatt. Habe jetzt bis diesen Monat gewartet, also fast 3 Monate komplett gewartet, bis Gutachten da war und alles.
Okay. And so this is also, also das ist auch legal, also street legal?
Ist komplett legal. Okay. Kombinationsgutachten in Verbindung mit der Miltech-Abgasanlage, die ich habe,
okay.
OPF.
Okay. So let me catch up for the international viewers. So this Ram air intake was announced at SM Motor Show. He pre-ordered it there. He waited 3 months, right? And the good thing is that you have a part certificate that allows you to drive it legally with an exhaust system. Okay. What is, from a tuning point of view, an absolute blast because it makes it very simple to modify the car.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. That's sort of. So how do you like the sound of it? Wie klang cool, nicht cool?
Sehr cool.
Okay.
Im Stand so ein bisschen Pfeifen, was sich am Anfang ein bisschen komisch anhört, wo du dich erstmal dran gewöhnen musst. Aber in der Fahrt hast du absolut die ganze Zeit das Ansauggeräusch nonstop. Wenn aufs Gas lässt, hast du sofort Ansaugung.
Okay, so what do you say when you pin the throttle a little bit? You got a small whistle at the beginning, and then you really hear it's banging. Okay, and it's a fantastic sound. So thank you so much. We're gonna see you in 4 to 5 weeks. In the episode where we're gonna check the car more in detail.
I hope so.
Yes. So the night is coming to an end. Pretty fantastic car meet. I really appreciate all the cars we saw here. Also the Porsche. Oh my gosh, what a fantastic car. If you know what Porsche that was, let me know it in the comments. We're still discussing if it's if it was a G model or a bit newer. So yeah. Nevertheless, as I said, the night is coming to an end. If you're still watching the video until now, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for every like, every comment, and every sub. And with that said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye. Oh, hey, you're still watching. Thank you so much. So, if you want to see more Shifter of Meguiar content, you can subscribe here, or you can watch one of the latest video here. Thank you so much again for watching, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's about time, and we see us in the next episode. Cheers.